resources are hard to allocate and manage in enterprises, and so what we present is Noblox, a way for an AI to allocate and manage resources in enterprise settings. What people do is they log in through their Stitch SSO, and then the system will know who they are and what role they play. Here we have, for demo purposes, developer, manager, and contractor. And what you can do is that you can talk with the API. The manager can, let's say, set a new role or create a new thing. In this case, we're going to add together a AI key, which is a virtual resource. And over here, and then down here we have you can have your requests, escalations, and required actions. And so this has a chain of custody for if you happen to have historical requests, and over here we have a CLI. Let me show it to you real quick. And so here, what you can do is you can do a git env, and that means that developers can populate their .env with various key value pairs for the services that they're using. You can also request, and that will update it into your .local or .configs. And then over here, you can update. So if somebody has to leave your organization, then you can safely cycle your API keys, and then your developers can just run update, and they all get updated. You can also use a share if you need to put it over to a new developer, and that will maintain your chain of custody. And so no longer do you have to pass around these keys, no longer do you get blocked by these things. But we also mentioned that can do physical goods as well. And so as you can see, we have our deep lake data over here, and I'm going to let my friend try to request a laptop.
So I'm going to request a computer over here. I'll say, give me a computer.
And if we look down here, we see that we have only developers can get a computer. We have resources down here, and so then the API will then go through here, and then as they do that, then a new request will be made for that computer, and then a manager can log in, and they'll see required actions. They need to send the person their computer. And so this thing takes a while because,
it's populating directly from the
request approved for a computer. So there it is, and that's Noblox. That's it. All right.